Welcome back to my channel, guys. We are here in Chaiwan Park. Chaiwan. This is a Chaiwan Museum. Yan. Yan ang second floor ng bahay. Ayan ang hagdanan. Ayan, may mga baul sila, mga lumang baul. Ayan, guys. Mga antik na to, no? Oh, may duyan. Ito yung duyan, guys, oh. Ano ba English ng duyan? Swing. Ayan, swing for the baby. So cute. Ayan, chair. Lumang chair. Ayan, may kulambo. This is the room, guys. This is the bed. And they have a kulambo to so that the mosquito doesn't goes in. Ayan, may sleeper din doon ng bakya. Ayan, guys, ang sleeper niya, bakya. Old sleeper. Antique, yes. Oh, they are still. So this is the old cabinet too. It's so cute. Yan, this is the ano. Ayan. Oh, this we call this baki, guys. Baki. Kulungan ng mga manok. Ayan. The cage of the chicken. And these are the old basket. Ayan. And the cabinet. I think just like a TV. This the table. Say hi. Hi. Bawal umakyat sa taas, guys. And this is the one we went. Yeah, they close it, guys. It's not allowed, just here. Excuse me. And this is the entrance. And this is the entrance gate. It's uneven, what do you call this? Daanan. Ay, sorry. Let's see this. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a window. It's a window, guys. They lock the window. This is another room, guys. That's a window. That one, guys, bayuhan. They use that for grinding a food, just like a beans. They use that. Yan. For grinding. It's close. This is another room, guys. And let's go in, guys. You can see this, guys, in Chaiwan Park. This is the Museum of Chaiwan Park. Yan, these are the food they eat. See? They have chopstick, called chopstick. Ano ba English ng bigao? Bilao? Ha? Ano English ng bilao? Ayan, that's the one they... Oh, balloon. They have balloon there. Balloon, they get water there. The place you get water. There. That's a balloon, guys. Oh, they have plate here. This is the cabinet of the plate and the bowl. What's that? Oh, pugon. Oh, that's the place they cook. They cook here, guys. And then the fire goes out there. Oh, I thought it's a balloon. It's not. And this is another room, guys. Yeah, they have another room there. See? I cannot see, guys. Just see. Cannot go up. It's not allowed to go up. What's this? Ano kaya yan? What's that? I don't know what is this. Oh, gilingan, no? Gilingan. Yun yung balde nila, guys, oh. Yeah. And guys, you can find this museum at Chaiwan Park, Exit A. Hi! Look at this, guys, and then so cute. There is open. This is open. So cute. The house is small, but it's so cute. This is the main door. See, there is a room here, another room here, and then the other side, another room here, and this one, but tiny only. And here, so you have a three room, right? Here, they have a 3 room. And the other side here. There. Oh my gosh. Yan. There. This is the one we went inside, guys. This is the outside. This is the outside, but the other one we didn't go inside until from here, guys. And this is the house. Yeah, that's the cute house. Yeah. So cute house, guys. See, that's very old. The history of Loyuke. Happy ka na? Very happy. Ayan o, ang ganda ng ano. This, and then they have a small park, guys. Bag ko. And this is the main gate. Yan. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Ayan yung bahay, guys. So cute. Gusto ko yung ganyang bahay lang. Simple lang. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Ilan ang views mo? Wala. pa.